welcome to another video.
Today we're greeting you from one of the most beautiful beaches here in El Salvador, in the department of Sonsonate.
The sun is super strong, but the weather is so nice. The water is warm.
This is like the perfect scene. We're gonna show you some videos of the sunset and the sunrise as well, because it was beautiful.
And the food.
Oh, food is great too. And you know, just a chill day at the beach in El Salvador. So welcome back.
You have to come here. I look like crazy, sorry about my hair. Who's that?
It's nice.
Room tour time.
So this is a little cabin here. Look at these doors. They're like bamboo. So
This, you know what? This gives me Tulum vibes.
oh yeah, it looks
Totally.
like
And it looks exactly like one of the hotels there.
we have the main bed here. A little closet. The stairs are nice. Oh, there's the AC. And
And
this
then
is,
we have the bathroom over here.
I think it's the other one. Inside. Inside.
Oh. So yeah, you have the sink, and look at this. This all looks so aesthetic.
It's made of stone, I think. You have the mirror.
You have a shower.
Your
It's so
toilet.
cool.
You get the shower. Oh yeah, it's all the way up there.
And then you just.
It's nice, I like it. And you have your door too, glass door.
Ooh.
So pretty cool. The stairs are so, I don't know, nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
So we have one bed downstairs.
Yes. There are two beds here. Look at this one. He's so cute.
Oh, it is. So you can fit 2 more people here, I guess.
And there's another AC.
There's an AC, that's always appreciated.
And this is the other bed.
This is the other bed. Sorry for the mess. We're just waking up.
It's very comfortable.
And
then look at this. Oh my god.
there's one of those nets too, where you can go. Okay, go.
Let's try one more time. But don't judge me.
Oh, that's nice.
It actually is. Because yesterday I was super scared. But I think I'm no longer scared. I don't know. But yeah, this is nice.
This is a nice room. So when you wake up, imagine waking up to this. Oh yeah. And what's cool about it is that you have AC, so you don't have to deal with the heat. Oh, and it also has Wi-Fi. It has what is it called? A Starlink.
Starlink.
Yeah, Starlink Wi-Fi, which is pretty fast and reliable. We've been here for a couple days now, and the signal is strong all the time. So you can fit how many people in this cabin? You got 2, 4. You could fit you could fit
Five?
six
Yeah.
people here. And let's go down there again.
And the pool is right in front.
We have the sunrise. So you wanna know what's crazy? That I have no clue how to swim, but she can. So
yeah, if anything, I'll save him.
she can save me. But you can see my desperation, and you can see her professionalism while swimming. So check this out, how I swim and how she swims. And there I go. Now it's time for breakfast. Chug it. I got something for you.
Yay, cocoa.
Freshly caught. Try it.
We have no straws. It's good.
Fresh.
It's fresh and it's sweet. I think this is the best coconut I ever had.
Approved? Like if you think I'm gonna be able to do it by myself, or if I will be requiring some medical assistance.
Cool. Yeah, I don't think that's safe. I think we should ask for help.
Like that, Evan. Got it.
You sure? You
Almost
got
there.
it. I think you can break it from that point.
Yeah.
Yay! I think you're good now.
Yeah. So this is the main pool. And what is so cool about this, it has like a shower restroom right next to the pool. It's pretty cool actually. It looks like the Flintstones. You have the toilet, it's all stone. You have the LED lights, little bench, the sink, and the mirror. Pretty cool. The door, and that's a little shower here. That's crazy. The ocean is so far back there.
I know. It wasn't like that this morning.
Something cool about El Salvador, well, maybe because we're in Central America, you'll have sunrise right there, and then it will come all the way up and then set right there. It's not like in the US the sun goes east to west. This one is more like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's always on the horizon. At least that is what I have observed. What you up to?
I'm looking for rocks.
Oh, this looks like a pretzel.
I know.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I'm crazy about rocks, and this is what I look for every time I go to the beach. because you can find these type of things.
And that's high K over there.
Something cool about this place? Well, follow me. Just gotta be careful. I'm not sure if I should wear my shoes or not. Should I?
Yeah. No, I mean, don't. Oh, what is upstairs? It looks nice.
It's called a hammock.
Go for it.
Should I?
You're good.
Something for you to relax, but I don't feel relaxed.
You feel stressed?
I feel stressed. So yeah.
I mean, I can see why they call it a hammock. It kind of resembles one.
You know what? It's cool.
You think you can make it all the way to the end?
No.
Need help?
Yeah.
Oh. Something is cracking. Now it's 9 p.m. So we're gonna finish our night with some fireworks.
Yay, and
Palitos, this is a kind of spicy little sticks. Let me show you guys. We should do a video with Salvadoran snacks. They're hella
Yeah.
good.
we should.
Let them in the comments if you're interested.
I'll be up to it.
So, firework. Right now,
I have no idea, but I love it.
I don't think the camera will appreciate all the stars.
You should use a filter.
It makes no justice to what we're actually seeing on the sky, because it's beautiful. We have a flashlight, but we have our cheap cell phone recording this, but I wish you could see the sky, because it's full of stars. Let me turn this off. Ready for total darkness? For real, I wish you all could see the stars. I think you can actually if I zoom in. All those sparkling things, those are stars. Oh, right there. I think you all can see it now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video at the beach in El Salvador. We had a lot of fun.
Hopefully you also enjoyed. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. And we are saying goodbye with a coconut.
See you next time.